We are going to attempt to put together a little succulent flower arrangement here. I am not good at this at all, so we are going to go ahead and give this a try here. I was sent this 16-piece artificial succulent plant set. Yes, they are unpotted, but it makes it perfect for do-it-yourself floral arrangements. So if you know how to do wreaths, if you know how to do potted vases or something like that, this is where your creativity can really shine. They've got the realistic texture and vibrant natural color tones. They're durable, flexible, and they're fade-resistant materials. So, I mean, you could decorate your home, office, garden, event, anything like that. These were really easy to decorate with. The variety in the set gives you plenty of creative freedom, from small rosettes to trailing greens, making it an affordable and versatile option for decorating any space, you guys. You can use them to create custom arrangements, wreaths, terrariums, centerpieces for your home, office, or special events. They're also great for adding a touch of greenery to any party decor, wedding designs, or seasonal displays. But what really stands out is how realistic they look up close. The soft, flexible materials mimic the look and feel of natural succulents, and the color tones are rich, but not over glossy, that make them look cheap. These aren't like that. Plus, they're maintenance-free. No watering, no fading. They stay beautiful all year round. These are beautifully realistic, easy to use, and endlessly versatile. The perfect way to add greenery anywhere without maintenance. And if I can decorate with these and put these into a vase altogether, then anyone can.